So someone's just got their heart stomped on. Maybe it's you. Maybe it's your best friend. We're not just doing ice cream and crying today. Well, we might cry, but we're going to heal with humor. Today's breakup recovery kit has 3 phases because getting over someone is a journey, not a destination. The first thing that we're going to make is an angry soak. This is for you when you want to key his car, but you do this therapy instead. And then we have our sad soak. Our sad soak is for ugly crying in the tub. That's just part of the journey. And then lastly, we have our moving on soak. That's the recipe that we're actually going to make today and demo for you. And that is for activating hot girl era. And then lastly, for when you are tempted to text him, we are going to make an F-boy spray. So let's head to the kitchen and make these so that you can either make a kit for a friend or have it for yourself if you're the one that's struggling this Valentine's Day. Okay, so we have these 3 soaks for you to make as you go through your journey of grieving. Usually it starts out as angry. The second one is the sad soak. This has a different blend of essential oils in it. And then our third soak that we're going to make is going to be our moving on soak. And that one is going to be very, very simple to make. We are going to take some Epsom salts, and it's the same base for all 3 of these. The base recipe calls for 2 cups of Epsom salts. I'm going to cut it in half since I've already made the others. So 1 cup of Epsom salt, half a cup of sea salt, and then all you're going to do is add your essential oils. Wild orange is the oil of abundance. So we're going to put just 10 drops in there because the recipe calls for 20, and we'll drop all of these in the show notes below. Grapefruit dissolves self-doubt, kind of like it dissolves grapefruit. So we're going to put about 8 drops of grapefruit in. And then spearmint is going to bring on fresh energy, a fresh start to your energy. And we will just do 10 drops of that. And then frankincense is transformation. It's a lot of times used in ceremonies. We'll do 10 drops of that in the big recipe, 5 for this recipe because I cut it in half. And then cedarwood. It's going to root you in your power. 5 in the full recipe. I'll just put 2 in here. And then all you do is just go ahead and mix the Epsom salts, the sea salt, the essential oils all in here. And we call this our Hot Girl Era Activation Bath Salt Blend with the Moving On blend. So mix that all together. You can also, this is optional, just add a little mica. You could add a little gold mica. This is totally natural and will not harm the tub or anything like that. It will just mix right in with those bath salts, give it a little shimmer. And then all you do is put it in your jar, put it on the side of your tub, use it when you're ready, or gift it to your friend, because sometimes Valentine's Day is not fun for those that are going through a breakup or a divorce or ending a relationship. And all we do is just fill that jar. We will link up all of the essential oils, obviously. Epsom salts, you can just grab at the grocery store, and sea salt as well. We are also going to make our F-boy spray. So this is basically self-respect in a bottle. It's going to keep you from texting them when you don't want to text them. You could spray this and it helps remind you of why you don't want to do that. So we're going to talk about each of the essential oils in there that will help you. Okay, so you can use a perfumer's alcohol or you can just use a cheap vodka. Don't be tempted to drink this bottle when you're crying in your sorrows. So you just need 2 ounces of this. Pour it in your bottle. You can add your essential oils first, or you can add the alcohol first. And then we'll also add 2 ounces of water. We're going to use clary sage first. Clary sage helps you see through the BS. So here's our clary sage. And then we will also use grapefruit. So 25 drops of clary sage. Let's get those in there. 25 drops of clary sage. And then 20 drops of grapefruit. That's going to help build your self-confidence. We're going to do 20 drops of grapefruit. And then we are going to do 15 drops of peppermint. Peppermint is going to help keep your mind clear. And then we have cedarwood. That's going to help you create boundaries. We are going to do 10 drops of cedarwood. Then lastly, We're going to do 5 drops of rose, and that's going to remind you to love yourself first. So we have our vodka in there. We have our essential oils in there. Now we're just going to top it off with 2 ounces of water. So you want to spray this when you are feeling the urge to text them or reach out to them. Okay, so breakups suck, but taking care of yourself doesn't. You're going to be better. So these DIYs are just the beginning of your glow up. So make you some F-boy spray so you don't regress and text them, and it will remind you of who you are and who you want to be. So drop a broken heart emoji if you needed this episode today. Thank you for joining us. If you liked this episode, please give us a like, a subscribe, and we will keep bringing health and wellness tips to you.